today we're gonna test some weird slime apps, like, I don't know. We're gonna start with this. What is this? This doesn't look like glue, okay? Guys, I don't know what this app is supposed to be. Can you just go like this? I'm gonna rate the app like 1 out of 10. What's that? Is that eyes? This looks cool, but but it doesn't look like slime. It looks like something. It doesn't look like a ghost. It's not. It looks weird. It doesn't look just here. Why is that? Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna rate that possible 4 or 3. I don't really like that app. Okay, this one. Okay, I think this one, like, yeah. Oh yeah, this one, I already used this app, but yes. What slime should I do? Oh, cloud. Doesn't really have cloud. Okay, let's see how it is. I never tried the cloud one. It looks weird. Okay, guys, it looks weird, but let's make it white. So I cannot just like make it look so basic, but I want it to be basic. This is how it can look all this time. We're not gonna put Halloween things because I don't know, should I put some days possible? And so like, do they have any? No, that doesn't look like sprinkles. Okay, let's just put that in. Okay. Okay. Let's just play. I don't know. This doesn't really look like cloud slime or feel like cloud slime, but let's give it another try and yeah. Let's make color changing. It looks cool, like, it looks cool. Yep. I like this color. I never saw that color before. It looks lighter. It's still black anyways. Nothing, I don't want to put any decoration. Nope. Can you not put any? I don't want to put any name. If you like. Oh, there is a picture behind that. I saw it. Oh, no, it's not a picture. And there are oh no. Okay guys, you already saw I don't like ads, and yes. Okay, slime time. It's kind of the same thing as the first one, but the first one was faded. This one is kind of weird. It looks like the shaving one just vomited. Yep. It's a bit better than the first one though. I forgot for the second one. I rated for slime up possible like something like a 7 out of 10 because I don't know. If you have yeah, guys. There was my thingy. It sounds like
Nothing.
First, like I already played them before. Okay, let's play. Oh, nope. Do we have any?
Water. Brick powder.
They're just saying what you need to do. Like, this powder doesn't.
Blue.
2
wash.
You don't need to put hand wash.
Shaving cream.
You need to add shaving cream too. It's just optional for the. I don't have to see if how realistic it is.
Mixing time.
This is like a whole, like a big mess. What am I doing? This looks like a spoiled soup. That actually kind of looks cool, but why is the sun? That was starting to be rainbow and in a swirl, like doesn't make any sense. And it's bigger. It looks like a foamy thing. Okay. Okay, now this is not what we're gonna do. Yes. Okay. Loading. So weird. Oh, now the jiggly poking. That's what I'm. Sticky press stretch. Alright, we're just gonna do jiggly because I don't want to watch ad. Glow. Oh wow, just kind of. Alright, okay. It's a bit weird. I know it's supposed to be jiggly because we put that much water.
An exciting adventure is about to begin. The choices you make
Oh
define
god.
your Hogwarts.
Okay. We're not gonna do that. We're just gonna go in. This one is kind of look. When I look at the App Store, like I say, kind of look like the same with another one, but let's just see. Why is black? Alright guys, I'm still filming. I don't know why, but all I feel like I'm not filming. Sticky, maybe, oh yeah. Experimental party, magical, weird, flute, okay. Okay, just gonna put experimental. Oh, I forgot the last ad to put like what I want. I think I could possible say like, yeah, done. I want a color. I don't know. I think one was possible like a fall or something like that. Like, yes. Oh no. Oh no. Slime simulator. Cubes. Just some cubes. Really? The soul slime thing is I don't know, Dan. This is like a jiggly slime. It's kind of the same as the first one. I don't know what I like more. Oh, nope. I think I like the first one possible more because it has more options. So I can rate this one possible 6. Okay. And now we have the last one that's called glitter slime. Yes. Not crazy kids game. That's weird. Yeah. But do we need to? Why is her like arms so long? And why is that slime touching another slime like borax? Okay, borax. That's a bit okay. See, is good. Is that good? I don't think so. So we mix the borax. Please say we mix it because okay. And why hearts there? It doesn't make any sense. It's not like a love game or something like that. Is it like us? Glow in the dark glue. Why do we need to put the glow in the dark glue? Why screw if we can just all like. Oh, fantastic! I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's just weird. It's just gonna make slime. Why is it sparkly? Because the color that is not sparkly, okay? I'm gonna add some glitter because it says, I think it's something about glitter slime. You should add kind of all the, I don't kind of add that much borax. That's a bit too much, but you know, that looks. It's like she's touching some good. Oh yeah, good. Why is the slime bigger now? Like, can I play with it? Oh yeah, it's glowing in the dark. It's weird. Like, she sounds like, oh great. She doesn't sound happy. Guys, what's this? Okay. This is weird. Do we do this? Oh my gosh, it's so weird. And now we're gonna do something. Now because we finished this, let's go in this one that I like the most. Please say we don't need to look at this thing. Oh no. We don't need to look at it. Okay. I do not want to like that, okay? Let's just kind of. Okay, I know what we need to do. No. Okay, so you go to activities and now subscribe. That doesn't look like a bee. And like, subscribe and like. Okay, this doesn't look good, but yeah, guys, subscribe and like. Also, I forgot to show you something on this, like that. No, I forgot to show you. You can do this, like it's like the card thingy. I forgot about that. I don't know. I just pressed blue. I think the sun is blue, but I think they're gonna fail though. I'm gonna fail, but yay! I got it right. Yay! Anyway, this is all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and bye. Oh my gosh!